Students, let's learn about the disassembly of the electronic throttle of Triumph 765 RS. The electronic throttle of this car needs to be considered. First, the control line of the electronic throttle, the position sensor of the electronic throttle valve, the fuel injector of the electronic throttle supply valve for the fuel injector of the oil pump, power supply head, and other associated pipelines. The specific details of the disassembly I will tell you during the disassembly process, the design structure of this car. First, you can see the 3-cylinder machine and the wiring harness on both sides and the rear, which looks very complicated, and the design is also very compact. The position of the entire wiring harness, you can see that the position is just right. When disassembling, the position of the wire bundle on this side, when we consider it, we can put the main computer harness, the power supply line and sensors aside. At this time, we can still see it clearly. It's still clear to see. The sensor connected to this side. You can see that it is directly connected, directly to the throttle valve. We need to unplug the sensor. After unplugging, look forward. On this side, you can see the side box by this crankcase ventilation pipe. There is a position sensor of the motor, including this connecting wire. For this part, we can loosen the throttle valve before unplugging it, to prevent kicking these wires. On this side, we can observe the motor's control cable that can be removed, which we can remove. Next, what we need to do is to loosen the throttle valve. Loosen it from the fixed wind cap of the intake port. Then, the fixed clamp screw is on this side, coming from the bottom of this side, and you can screw in 3 fixing screws. After all 3 fixing screws are unscrewing them, the entire electronic throttle valve. Gently pull it outward. When pulling it out, pay attention to the wiring on this side, the position of the wire bundle on this side. We need to free these wires, and then pull it out. Okay, at this time, it's pulled out. Then, on this side, the plug of the fuel injector can be unplugged. Then the motor's control line. And the charger cable can be unplugged. Move to the side. The control plug of the fuel injector. After unplugging it, continue to pull the throttle valve outward. At this time, the lower side, the spray nozzles plug. At this time, you will find these wires. The order of the pipelines. Take them out from this side, the main oil pipe side, and then the lower part. You can see the pipeline connected to the solenoid valve. Pull this one out too. After unplugging, entirely remove. Remove the throttle body. Here, I need to tell you that this circuit is very complex and very compactly designed. If you have purchased our genuine course, friends who bought the genuine course, if you have questions about the wiring harness, or encounter problems, you can send us a private message through the backend. We will arrange a specialist to provide one-on-one guidance and provide you with our accumulated maintenance experience. The experience of wiring harness arrangement and original factory maintenance materials, which includes diagrams of this wire harness. Then check the position of these wire bundles, and the state of the plugs is intact. After checking that there are no problems, the throttle valve of this car has been removed.